Porter's 5 Forces, Industry Competition. Hey, Scarecrow here. Today I will talk about Porter's 5 Forces, Industry Competition. I will be using iTool for this. Okay. So, let's start. Porter's 5 Forces is a powerful framework for analyzing the competitive landscape of an industry. Developed by Michael E. Porter, it helps businesses understand the forces that shape competition and determine the attractiveness of an industry. Here is a breakdown. The 5 Forces. 1. Threat of new entrants. This force examines how easy or difficult it is for new companies to enter the market. Barriers to entry, such as high capital requirements, government regulations, and brand loyalty, can reduce the threat of new entrants. 2. Bargaining power of suppliers. This force assesses the influence that suppliers have on the industry. Powerful suppliers can charge higher prices or reduce the quality of their products, impacting the profitability of industry players. 3. Bargaining power of buyers. This force analyzes the influence that customers have on the industry. Powerful buyers can demand lower prices or higher quality, putting pressure on industry profitability. 4. Threat of substitute products or services. This force examines the availability of alternative products or services that can meet the same customer needs. A high threat of substitutes can limit the pricing power of industry players. 5. Competitive rivalry among existing competitors. This force analyzes the intensity of competition among existing players in the industry. Factors such as the number of competitors, industry growth, and product differentiation can influence the level of rivalry. How it works. By analyzing each of these 5 forces, businesses can gain a comprehensive understanding of the competitive dynamics of their industry. This analysis can help businesses identify opportunities and threats, and develop strategies to gain a competitive advantage. Key applications. Industry analysis. Determining the attractiveness of an industry. Strategic planning. Developing competitive strategies. Investment decisions. Evaluating the potential profitability of investments. In essence, Porter's 5 Forces provides a valuable tool for understanding the forces that shape industry competition and for making informed business decisions. That's the end. Now, you can check out my other videos.